Hello all, this is Mrs. D. Deepika Devi, Assistant Professor and Head Department of English, PPG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Let me begin with the topic Unity of Minds, a vision for transforming India inspired by the great leader APJ Abdul Kalam. In this vision, Dr. Kalam emphasizes that the true strength of a nation lies in the unity of its people, thoughts, ideas, and actions. He believed that when young minds come together with a shared purpose, they can transform India into a developed and powerful nation. This presentation is based on his inspiring message delivered on the occasion of India's Independence Day. To understand this vision, we must first understand the man behind it, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was not just a scientist but also a great leader and visionary person. As a scientist, he served for more than 40 years in organizations like ISRO and DRDO, earning the title Missile Man of India. As the president, he became known as the People's President for his simplicity and connection with the youth. Beyond these roles, his true mission was to inspire young minds and guide India toward becoming a developed nation. His life itself is a powerful example of dedication, hard work, and vision. To build a strong nation, we must recognize the pillars that support it. Kalam pays tribute to four important groups. First, the defense forces who protect our country on land, sea, and air. Next, the farmers who work tirelessly to feed the nation. Then, the professionals such as teachers, doctors, and technicians who drive development and progress. Finally, the youth who are the true transforming force and the future of a prosperous India. Together, these groups form the foundation of national strength. To understand India's transformation, we must begin with its first great vision, independence. This journey started in 1857, which planted the seed of freedom and awakened a strong spirit among the people. Over the next 90 years, this spirit grew into a powerful struggle where ordinary people became freedom fighters. Under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the nation was united with a common purpose. Finally, this long struggle led to independence in 1947, marking the birth of a democratic India. This vision-driven movement also created great leaders in many fields like politics, science, economics, and arts. After gaining independence, the next question is how far has India progressed? Since 1947, India has made remarkable achievements on the global stage. In agriculture, the country has achieved self-sufficiency in food production. In social infrastructure, there has been major progress in healthcare and education. India has also emerged as a leader in critical technologies like pharmaceuticals, information technology, and mass media. Additionally, the nation has developed a strong strategic power in areas such as space, defense, and nuclear science. All these achievements show India's steady growth and development over the years. Moving ahead, we come to the second vision for India's future. The goal is to transform India from a developing nation into a developed one. At present, the country faces challenges like poverty, illiteracy, and unemployment. However, through integrated action by improving agriculture, education, healthcare, infrastructure, and technology, India can move toward a better future. In this developed state, the nation will achieve prosperity, better health, and greater knowledge. This vision aims to remove the major problems and builds a stronger and more advanced India. One of the major challenges India faces today is water management. There is a recurring problem where some regions experience floods while others suffer from drought. To solve this paradox, a comprehensive water mission is needed. This includes connecting rivers through river networking, promoting water harvesting, recycling water efficiently, and using technologies like desalination. By adopting these solutions, India can ensure better water distribution, leading to economic growth and environmental sustainability. A strong nation is built not only on development but also on security and unity. National security begins with protecting our sovereignty, where regions like Jammu and Kashmir are recognized as an integral part of India. Peace can only be achieved when issues like cross border terrorism are completely eliminated. At the same time, internal harmony is equally important. We must avoid communal conflicts and divisive thinking and work together as one nation. Only by ensuring both security and unity can India move forward toward true development. One major challenge that holds back a nation's growth is not lack of resources but lack of unity. Small thinking and internal conflicts act as barriers to progress. However, when people come together with a shared vision, it creates what Dr. Abdul Kalam calls the unity of minds. This unity can transform the combined strength of millions into a powerful force for development. When the thoughts and efforts of people are aligned, it unlocks immense potential and leads the nation towards great success. One of India's greatest strengths lies in its rich cultural heritage. For over 3000 years, India has developed a unique and diverse tradition that brings together different religions, cultures, and ways of life. This heritage is built on strong values like tolerance, non-violence, and mutual respect. These principles have helped to maintain unity in diversity. However, we must also remember that any action against these values can weaken the very foundation of our nation. Therefore, preserving and respecting this heritage is essential for India's future. As we move toward the deeper message of this presentation, let us reflect on our powerful lessons from Mahatma Gandhi. He teaches us that true growth comes when we rise above our personal hardships and start thinking about the problems of others. When we work for a greater cause, our minds naturally elevate. This idea highlights the importance of tolerance, understanding, and selflessness in building a peaceful and united society. Move towards shaping the future of the nation, leadership plays a crucial role. The question we must ask is, who are all role models? Children and young people look up to national leaders for guidance and inspiration. Therefore, leaders must act responsibly and set the right example. They should rise above petty politics, focus on the vision of a developed India, and work with clear action plans. True leadership is not just about power but about inspiring the next generation. The future of a nation lies in the hands of its youth. Young people are the true driving force behind transformation and progress. With dedication and hard work, they have the power to bring real change. They must aim high, look for role models in every field, whether it is science, industry, or agriculture, and not limit themselves to just politics. The ultimate goal is to become enlightened citizens who contribute actively to national development and build a better future for the country. Before we conclude, let us take a moment to reflect on what truly matters. A nation is always greater than any individual. On this Independence Day, let us take a meaningful vow to place our country above personal interest, above divisions, and above differences. Because when we put the nation first, unity grows stronger and progress becomes possible. Let us pray for unity of minds and for success in every aspect of our lives together as one nation. Thank you.